What would a Jamaican do? Imagine this. You at a restaurant with a Jamaican and the food finally come. Nice plate, everything look good, but the portion small. Now watch the Jamaican closely. First thing them do, them just stare at the plate quietly, then them look at the person who bring the food, then look back at the plate again. Then the famous Jamaican line drop. This look good still, but the tone tell the real story, because every Jamaican know that sentence actually mean this little bit are not enough. And from that moment, the brain start calculate. Me have to stop somewhere after this. Me have to go buy a patty later. Because when it come to food, Jamaican serious about proper portion. Small serving might look fancy, but a Jamaican still leaving hungry. So tell me, what would a Jamaican do? So it go? You tell me. Big up yourself.